Welcome to Excel hack number 3. During this demonstration, I'm going to take this simple little list. It's much like the previous exercise. It's got the employee ID, last name, first name, department, and so on. And within this list, I'm looking at this phone extension column, column F. Now, a majority of these employees, they have a phone extension. Employee number 1814 is 103. Employee number 1721 is 102, and so on. But some of these employees do not have a phone extension. And what's happened is somebody's just left the cell blank. Now that's great. I can see, okay, great, they don't have a phone extension. But what I'd like to do is place a value inside of those blank cells. I want to put a 0 in there, or I want to put an NA in there. It's not available, not applicable. Or maybe I want it to say no phone extension, no extension. I want it to say something other than be just a blank cell. Now we can do this manually. You could jump in and start typing them in, right? 0 or not available, not applicable, NA, whatever. But I want to automate this. All right, take a look. So my first step, I need to identify all those empty cells. Well, how do you do that? We took a look at earlier how we could grab all the empty rows. We're going to perform that same operation. So my first step here is I'm going to select all these cells. Let's grab all those there. That's the column F. That's the phone extension. So now I want to find all those empty ones. I'm going to go back to home, far right. I'm going to find and select, and I'm going to use go to special. And what am I going to use in go to special? I'm going to say go to blanks. I'll hit OK. And I've now selected all the blank cells within that range, within the phone extension column. Now you'll notice that the very first one, F4, looks different than the rest of the selected cells. This is considered my active cell. Now what I'm going to do is I want it to say N/A, not applicable. So I'm going to type this in, N/A. Now I've just typed that in, but it's only appearing inside the F4 cell. I need it to do for the rest of them. Well, if I hit my enter key right now, it'll do it just for that one. Here, I'm going to press Control and Enter. Control Enter on my keyboard, and I've now populated all those empty cells. Look at that. How quick and easy was that? This is hack number 3, filling in blank cells with a value. Try it out.